back to my channel. It's that time of the season again. Today I'm doing my FabFitFun Spring box unboxing. I have partnered up with FabFitFun for this video. If you guys are interested in seeing other FabFitFun videos, I do have a playlist on my channel already. But let's go ahead and jump into it. You guys know I'm a fan of FabFitFun because it's a seasonal box. So the price of the box is $49.99 because it's 4 times a year, but it does include a value of over $200. All of the products are full size, and it's a really cool way of discovering new products, new brands. Not to mention that FabFitFun is one of my favorite brands to partner up with because they do have a lot of philanthropic efforts. A lot of their partnerships with these seasonal boxes are with other charities or organizations that help children, that help empower women. So it's a really, really great brand that I'm more than happy and proud to support. So if you guys are interested in checking out FabFitFun, CoffeeDani will get you $10 off your very first box. But before I convince you, let me show you what's in mine. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So this season, they're in support of an organization called Girl Rising. And if you want to know more about it, they always explain inside their little, it's almost like a handout, a little newspaper, like a magazine that explains either the organization, the charity, and all of the products that come in your box. So if you guys want to know more about Girl Rising, I will leave a link in the description box below. There's also a really nice write-up about what it is, what it represents, and how to support them on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So let's go ahead and jump into the box. Oh, look at this! A HelloFresh coupon code. Isn't that interesting? Y'all know I love my HelloFresh. Okay, so the first thing I see here is jewelry from Maya Brenner. And Maya Brenner actually designed stuff for Bobble Bar, and it is so pretty. So, oh my God, I'm gonna give this to Sam. My best friend Sam is going to love this. I love it too, but I'm more of a gold girl. Like, I prefer to wear rose gold or gold stuff. Sam would look gorgeous in this. This is so pretty. I wonder what the value of it is. So that's the Maya Brenner Designs Love Bracelet, and it's a value of $65. Holy moly. Oh, look at this pretty girl. Who recognizes this pretty girl? That's Alex. She's a beauty vlogger. She's also a really awesome fashion and beauty vlogger on YouTube and Instagram. Okay, so we also have the Ish Lip Statement Palette, which is what she's promoting in this box. And this is a lip palette. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Look at all those colors. Look at the nudes at the very top. How pretty is that? The value of that lip palette is $42. Pucker up, ladies. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. Rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. Mix and match for endless color combinations. Yes, sir. What is this? Rachel Pally, red and yellow. Do you see what it says? Red and yellow on the front. What is this? A clutch, maybe? Oh, it is a clutch. That's really pretty. These clutches, I love these clutches because they're formidable to any outfit or to anything you're carrying around. So it folds in half, but it's actually just a really big sack. Like, it's a really big bag. You see the zipper up at the top? So you could basically wear this like this, right? You could wear it like this. Or if you have more stuff to carry around, say it fills up to the top, you could just fold it a little bit and then it looks like a bigger clutch. These clutches are so multi-purpose and super useful, but when you see them, you feel a little discouraged because you're like, that's just a square of purse. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? But when you really think about it, it has a lot of different options. I kind of like it like this. I love that, like, really bright canary yellow peeking through. And you can see it doesn't match my outfit with anything, but it looks really nice. Maybe because it matches my eyeshadow. Okay, so the value of that clutch is $60. Reversible clutch in Bloom, Zahara, and Paradise. Okay, so you could have actually gotten 3 different patterns. I actually got the one I would have picked myself. Look how pretty that is. Yay! Then we have a Free People leather. What is this? Is this to like sleep in? Is this for the microwave? Is this to put in the freezer? Let's see. I think this might be like for the freezer or the microwave. So this is from Free People, which y'all know Free People is not a cheap brand. It is the Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and the charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. That was cute. So this is $40, and you could have gotten it in like a teal, a white, and pink. How pretty is that? It's not really pink, it's like a beigey peach. So the inside, don't mind if I do, the inside has this gel that you could make it cold in the fridge. I wonder if you could put it in the freezer. Some of these you're not supposed to because they burst. So should we experiment? I think we should. So yeah, you could actually even put this in like a bowl of hot water, not boiling water, hot water, warm it up. If you needed to use like a warm something, you know, it doesn't necessarily have to go on your eyes, right? But cooling, depuffing, de-stressing, panda eyes, speaking my language. You guys, this box is never ending. Then we have the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is a hydrating moisturizer from Murad. I love when they put Murad stuff in here because I always know someone, if it's not me, that could use a Murad product. It's just one of those brands that's super ultra reliable. Then we also have a crushed macadamia and rice milk body polish. This is a sample of a new product from Dove. How cute is that? Look at that. It's like a body polish. What is this in a special scent? Macadamia and rice milk, because they have two other scents. They have like a kiwi and a, ooh, I don't know what that is. I can't see. I'm like, I need my glasses. Then we have this little zipper pouch. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, I hope these are lip masks. Yay! These are K&C Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. I ran out of mine. Do you remember I told you guys a few weeks ago that I helped my friend organize his daughter's birthday party? And so I took eye masks, face masks, lip masks, and I ran out of lip masks. So thank you so much, FabFitFun, for restocking a girl. So this is a 5-pack, and they are $24.99 or valued at $24.99. Now, if you didn't get the lip mask, you could also get a guava body butter from the brand Kors, which smells really good. And then as opposed to the love bracelet that I showed you guys, where did I put that? As opposed to the love bracelet, if you didn't get that, you could have also gotten the Etika Daydreamer tassel earrings. But this is kind of cuter. Yay! Then we also have the Dermalect. This is a makeover concealing ridge filler for your nails. So it's a treatment with protein, vitamins, and moisturizers with a natural pink hue. This is a value of $18. So it's just like a really good conditioning treatment for your nails. It would be great to apply underneath your nail polish, or you could use this as your nail polish, and it'll keep your it'll kind of fill in the ridges of your nails if you have like bumpy nails. It'll neutralize the color because of that beautiful pink shade that has like that purple reflect in it. And it is infused with vitamins, minerals, and proteins. This is a green formula. That's probably why the price tag is $18. So it's free of formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP. Then we have a torture device. What is this, like a neck roller? Massage roller, serious results and serious relief. This is from a brand called Physique 57. And you could have gotten an array of 4 different colors. This color, like a burnt orange, gray, and a teal. It's a value of $20. And it's for sore, achy muscles, and it breaks up scar tissue. 5 to 10 minutes, and your body will be feeling the feels. That's kind of cool. Do you think it hurts? How do you do it? Oh, that does feel nice. But like, I can only do my own legs, right? Because you need to use both hands. Let's see, let's do my legs. Oh, that does feel nice. I know it's like ugly and weird and goofy looking, right? But it's really nice. The last thing in here is a candle from Anderson Lily. And this is from the Sunset Collection. I got it in the scent Super Bloom. It's a pretty big candle too. Oh, look at the tumbler. It's rose gold or like copper kind of. Oh my God. You guys know what this smells like? You're gonna laugh at me. This smells like Tommy Girl. Oh my God, I'm gonna light it right now and I want it to scent up my whole house. I'm having like super nostalgic feelings right now. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like Tommy Girl. Okay, so it says that it smells like basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine rose, rosewood, and cashmere musk. No, it smells like Tommy girl, let me tell you. All right guys, that is it for this FabFitFun springtime unboxing. My favorite thing of the entire box, it's not this, I just wanted to smell it again, but this is definitely top 3. Oh, that smells so good. My favorite is probably the clutch. It's so beautiful, isn't it, you guys? I can't wait to use it. I love the color. I love anything bright and happy, and I feel like an accessory like this just completely makes your outfit happy, changes your mood, and it's just such a statement piece. So I love the clutch, and I always get super excited when I see really great, fabulous brands in FabFitFun. You know, you're not getting like generic brands, you're getting Anderson Lily, you're getting Free People, you're getting Maya Brenner. These are really good top-notch brands, you guys. So it kind of helps you explore this world of nice. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you've been curious to try FabFitFun, I will leave a link in the description box below. Don't forget that the code CoffeeDani gets you $10 off your very first box. So if you already got your spring box, let me know in the comment section below which of these products was your favorite. And I think that's it, guys. You know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.